Good morning, third graders. It is Thursday, April 2nd. I hope that you had a wonderful April Fool's Day yesterday and that nobody played any tricks on you. Today is the day of the Zoom. Don't forget all of your special Zoom sessions. You have one at 9:30 with Miss Bashara, one at 10:45 with Miss Sorensen, and one at 2 o'clock with Senor Johnson. All of those links I've put in for you in the Zoom sessions for Three Mingan document in your social studies folder on your drive. Just like how you go to find my Zoom sessions and you click on those links, I've taken all those links and I've put them in the same document for you. So if you're running around trying to find them in your parents' emails, don't worry about it. I put it in there for you. The third grade teachers have gone a little easier on you today because you know it's so hard to plan doing your work and fitting in all those Zoom sessions. So today, don't worry so much about the stuff for us. Enjoy writing some poetry and doing some practice for area and finishing up cultural universals, but make sure you're attending those Zoom sessions if you can. All of the other specials pages can be found here at the Gateway. And make sure you check out Coach Sinowich's Twitter page for the wellness challenges that he spoke about in our Zoom session yesterday. As always, the e-learning questions Padlet is right there. Make sure you're completing 30 minutes of independent reading. If you want to, when you look at those poetry websites I've been giving you, count that as your reading. It's absolutely reading. So read your great fiction books, your nonfictions, but then just definitely put in some poetry as well. My next lesson is going to be about font and punctuation and how you can use bold words and capitals and exclamation points to bring your poem to life. And it actually will affect how the reader reads the poem out loud. So watch my lesson and then go ahead and put your poems on pieces of paper or in a journal and then share them onto Seesaw and read your poem aloud. This will be especially important today because it's all about how font and punctuation changes how you read the poem out loud. So I definitely want to hear your voice and how you see how the font and punctuation changes how we read it. Those are the poetry websites. For math today, you're going to continue the practice problems. So the same document you were looking at yesterday, there's section 1, level 1, and you're going to finish up level 1. We did page 5, 6, and today you're going to be doing page 7, which is number 7 and number 8. So let's look at these real quickly. It says that the perimeter of the figure is 200 inches. What is the length of the curved line? So we know that this side plus this side plus this side. And if you subtract that from 200, that will leave us with this side. So try that. For this one, what is the perimeter of a square that has 6-inch sides? Think about what we know about squares. If this side is 6 inches, then what are these sides? And we're looking for the perimeter, not the area, so the perimeter. And then you're going to do the first page of level 2. So number 1, 2, and 3. Let's quickly look at them. A rectangle has a length of 16 feet and a width of 7 feet. So draw the rectangle, third graders. Label the parts you know and find the area, so length times width. A rectangular hall is 20 yards long, so draw it out, and 8 yards wide. If each square yard of carpeting costs $9, how much does it cost to carpet the rectangular hall? So you got to find the area and then think each square yard costs $9. So what is your second step? And number 3, what is the total area of the rectangle and the square? So you're going to find the area of this rectangle, length times width, and the area of that rectangle, length times width. And then what are you going to do to find the total? So let's go back. So once again, you're going to complete these 2 pages. So level 1, 7 and 8, level 2, 1, 2, and 3. Copy and paste them into your e-learning slideshow, and I can give you some feedback. And lastly, it's just to complete your social studies cultural universals. So make sure they're all done by Friday. Great third grade sentences. So we kind of made it a little slower today so that you could focus on your Zoom sessions. But if you have any questions, go ahead and get me at the e-learning Padlet. And a reminder that I'll see you tomorrow, Friday at 10 o'clock for our special birthday Zoom session. Have a great Thursday. Bye, third graders.